Good morning, students. As in my previous videos, I had started poem The Old Brown Horse. I had completed this poem's explanation and word meaning that I had given in your homework. Okay. Now come to the exercises. Answer the following questions. You have to write question answer. Okay. Write down date, poem number, poem name. Okay. Question answer. Question. Answer the following questions. A. What do we learn from the horse's appearance and behavior? We answer. We learn that horse is very, old, saggy, not very well cared for, and a bit sad, but the horse responds to human touch. Come to the second question. When does the horse feel that life is not so bad? Answer. The horse feels good when a passer touched by strokes its mane and saggy coat. Full stop. Okay. Question third. What does the poet ask the reader to do? The poet asks the reader to stop for a word or two and touch the horse softly. Okay, these are your question answer. You have to write neat and clean handwriting. Okay, now exercise 2. Mark these statements true or false. You have to write true or false. A. The old horse, is pleased with life. No, na? That's why false. Come to the B. The old horse likes having visitors. Yes. True. C. People who drive past are interested in the horse. No. It means false. D. The horse does not like being touched. False, because it feels happy, na? That's why this line is false. Now exercise 3. Answer the following with reference to context. You have to write first of all this line and then, oh, thank you friend for the kindly thought for a horse who has had his day. These lines are compulsory. Okay, then start. The underlined phrase means that he has now grown old. The meaning of this line is has now grown old. Okay, from tomorrow your summer vacation will be started, so you have to write paragraph, okay, in a A4 sheet paper, blank. Okay, and if you have any query you can ask me. Thank you.